I'm Charles Spratley.
Hello, I'm Raymond Fernandez, and we are here at the Lightscape of Los Angeles here at the Arboretum. So, Charles, we walked the grounds and took a tour of the Lightscape and the show. What are your thoughts and feelings?
It was absolutely fantastic.
I
love this color. I love the creativity of all the light displays.
It was reminiscent of being like in the film Wizard of Oz, with the mixture of being at Disneyland, with the mixture of being at the Charlie and the Chocolate Wonka Factory, all combined into one. There was a lot of creativity and imagery, whimsicality. It was all beautiful. If anyone has an opportunity to make it over, you bring your family, you have a lot of fun. I recommend gloves. I recommend warm coats, scarves. Don't underestimate how cool it gets here, and you hear the interesting music, etc.
The soundtrack is absolutely wonderful.
So this area here reminds me of a combination of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory when they're in the factory, as well as the Wizard of Oz when Dorothy wakes up in the poppy field. I actually wish I could just take one of these home with me and it would be lit all the time. So, seeing it through the camera doesn't do it justice as opposed to it being actually someone here to see it. Just whimsical. So, cheers.
My favorite part is the s'mores. Come for the s'mores. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Actually, I don't mind standing here all night, you guys. I'm not melting. I'm not melting.
And grab it in. Oh, get it. There we go.
Oh. I'm ergonomically challenged right now. It's too cold. Well, here it goes nothing. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Will you? No. Oh my God! This is not easy, you guys.
Bite into it and enjoy it. That's right. For the camera, right?
I haven't had a s'more in years. I'm probably wearing it right now, but it's awesome.
Thank you,
The
Andrew.
best part about this is it gives you a little wet nap because you need it.
One of these days, Andrew, I'm going to film you doing something that you don't want to be doing on camera.
You don't want to be eating s'mores? You look like you want to be eating s'mores.
It's complicated, man.
Ray, what was your impression of the s'mores?
That I forgot how to do them. And just when you have cold hands, things don't work right. So don't try and do s'mores when it's very cold, unless your hands are warm.
I think it's like for excuses.
What was your impression of the s'mores?
Fantastic. I think they came out really nice.
Okay. My favorite part was the hot chocolate. The s'mores were a bit messy, so the hot chocolate did me in pretty well.
I think this one, actually, one that we have right now, it's phenomenal. Light displays going through, plus a great soundtrack.
I think I would agree. The most interesting part was when we first walk in and the light show and the sequence. I cannot underestimate how much thought went into the execution and deliverance of every single detailed light bulb that syncs up with the music.
I'm Charles Spratley.
I'm Raymond Fernandez.
and stay
Stay curious.